Hello everyone, it's Javier. Today I'll be making a Nicaraguan favorite dish called Gallo Pinto, basically just rice and beans. Hope you guys enjoy.
Gallo Pinto is one of my favorite dishes because it's so simple and filling at the same time. We are first going to use half an onion and chop it up. And if you have any Poblano peppers, they're a great addition to this recipe as well. We are then going to add some oil and get it warmed up. Once warmed, we are going to add our onions and or poblanos if we have some and cook them down until it's soft. Make sure to mix them so they don't stick. Once the onions are cooked down, we are ready for our leftover rice. If you guys did not see our last video on how to make rice, go ahead and watch it. That video will be linked in the description. Once the rice is reheated, we're going to add our beans. Link in the description on how to make beans as well. We're going to mix our beans and rice together. We're going to mix them till the mixture is warmed up and not sticky no more. Once heated, we are done and ready to serve. I like to top off my Gallo Pinto with some Mexican dried cheese and some sour cream. I know earlier I said why this is my favorite, but it's also because I kind of grew up on this with my grandma always making it for us, since it's a Nicaraguan staple. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and see you guys next time. Bye bye.